You just bought a digital screen to grow your business. You open the box, plug it in, and nothing. Just a blue screen, a no-signal message, and a 50-page manual. You didn't buy a marketing tool. You bought a second job. The problem? Every day your screen sits blank is a day of lost revenue. Business owners are too busy to be graphic designers and IT experts. This blank screen anxiety is exactly why most digital signage fails. The solution. At Khazina, we're changing the game. We are the only digital signage company in the UK that delivers screens ready to sell. We don't just ship hardware, we ship a finished sales channel. The process. Here's how it works. You order your screen. Our professional UK design team takes your logo, your menu, and your brand colors to create a stunning 4K bespoke animated content worth £150, absolutely free. Before your screen even leaves our warehouse, we unbox it, preload your custom design, and configure the settings. The wow moment. When the box arrives at your door, you do one thing. Plug it in. In less than 60 seconds, your brand is glowing on the wall. No software to learn, no files to upload, no tech skills required. Stop buying blank screens. Start buying results. Khazina Digital, expertly designed, pre-configured, delivered. Visit us at khazinadigital.com to get your ready-to-sell screen today.